Hi, hello, good morning. I hope all of you doing well. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic in the pharmaceutical organic chemistry. Usually nowadays they are asking more. It is the Spiro compounds. We know about the Spiro compounds. Spiro compounds are present, especially useful in the medicinal chemistry for the manufacturing of the antitubercular drug, manufacturing of the anti-cancer drug, manufacturing of the anti-malarial drugs. Not only that, they are useful in the dyes also. Like that, they have the multiple applications. Then we should have to be know the definition for this one. What is exactly the Spiro compounds, and as well as how we are giving the nomenclature. This Adolf V. Bayer, they given the nomenclature for this one. Then we can see the nomenclature of particular these compounds. Okay, I hope you might be concentrating on this. What is Spiro compounds? Spiro compounds is nothing but these are the compounds. They have the minimum two rings. They are connected with single atom. Two rings connected with the single atoms. Example I will show here. These are the two rings, but they are connected with only the single atom. This is called as the Spiro compounds. Okay. Then here also you can see it is connected with the single atom. Two rings are there, but connected by the single atom. That's why it is called as the Spiro. Then some students, they might be confused. I will give another example. In this case you can see this one, they will be thinking as the Spiro compound. This is not. Because why it is not the Spiro compound means, here you might be observing, here connected with the two atoms, not one atom. It is connected with two atoms. That's why it is not the Spiro compound. Okay. Then next, how we are going to give the nomenclature. Here I chosen the two examples for giving the nomenclature. You will if you observe these two examples, you will be understand very well. In this case you can see the Spiro compound is there. Then initially what we have to do means, in the nomenclature I given, see, first we have to count the atoms in the both the rings, excluding this Spiro atom which is connected here. No, that one we have to be exclude. इसको काउंट करना नहीं है. दो रिंग के बीच में जो भी है स्पाइरो एटम जिससे कनेक्ट हुआ है उसको काउंट नहीं करना है. We have to count separately for this one, count separately for this ring. Okay. Then generally, then we are using the format what is means, that is the Spiro A comma B. Here you can see for this compound. This is the Spiro compound. I am mentioning Spiro. See, always you have to be take the square bracket A comma B. Means which one will be having the less number of atom, we are mentioning as the A. Which will be having the more number of atom, B. This one having the less number of atom, I am taking as the A, and this one I am taking as the B. See, Spiro, how many atoms is there? We should not count this one. Spiro atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 atoms are there. Then in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should not count this one. Then 4, 5. This is generally how we are mentioning. Then it have the substituent also. The substituent, everything we have to be go in that passion only what we discuss in the IUPAC nomenclature. Their substituents have to should be have to get the lowest possible number. Okay, while giving the numbering location for the substituent, they have to be get the lowest possible number. Okay, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, सिर्फ देने का है. Okay, be good. Then see, I will write the nomenclature for the one compound. See, in this case, first we have to write the substituents only. Okay, after substituents only what we are going to be write? We are going to write the Spiro, then we are going to be mentioning the Spiro, how many atoms are there in the A ring as well as the B ring. Then we have to go for the parent chain compound, specially name of the parent compounds, that is the parent carbon hydrogen compound. Then after giving that, then any prefix, any suffixes are there, means any functional groups are there, that also we are writing at the end as the suffix. Then here I'm going to give the name for this one, the substituents. Before the giving the name, we have to give the numbering. That numbering where we have to be start, means we have to be start with the smaller ring. See, here I given already in this case, numbering the ring which have to be start the ring carbon next to the Spiro atom and use small ring first, larger ring next. See, after the Spiro atom we have to be start the numbering. Then that numbering also we have to give initially for the smaller ring, not the larger ring. Okay, which will be have the more atom, not for that one, which will be having the less atom, we have to give the numbering for that. I hope you might be understand. See, which side I have to give now, from this side or this side. Then another rule generally we studied, then we have to give the numbering in that fashion. Substituent should have to be get the lowest number. If I will give from this side, see, 1, 2, this is getting second, 3, 4, 2 and 4. If I will be coming from this side, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 3. 2 and 4 is bigger or 1 and 3 is bigger? 2 and 4 is the bigger. 1 and 3 is the lowest possible. That's why numbering I should have to give from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to give numbering for this also, 5. Then see, next numbering, in which way you have to be go, means that also based on the substituent. See, if I will go from this side, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9th position it will come. If I will go from this side, 6, 7, 6, 7, from this side 9, from this side 7. Now see, it is getting the lowest possible number. Now all the substituents we saw that they should have to get the lowest possible number. In that way we given the numbering. Now the substituent which position we present, we know that one. Now I will write the name for this. You see, 1 bromo 3 chloro, 1 bromo 3 chloro. Then next what it will become? Spiro. Square bracket as I told. Now we have to mention the numbers which are present in the smaller ring, A ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 atoms. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 atoms, because we are not counting this atom, Spiro atom. Okay, now see what we have to be give the next after this Spiro. We might be know this one total. Now we have to count the total number of atoms in this. Total number of atoms means already we counted 4, 5. Then write it 4 plus 5. The next atom will be here. We have to count ring atom only, not the substituents. Okay. Now see, 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to how many? 10. 10 means what is the word root will come? We learned in the IUPAC nomenclature. 10 means dec. Decane. Okay. See here. Decane. I am not writing E here. Just I mentioned the decane. Here minus E. Then what it will become now? Especially the functional group. Here the alcohol is there in the form of OH. That's why we are writing as the suffix. Decane. Which position it is there? 7. All. See? 1 bromo, 3 chloro, Spiro. 4, 5. 4, 5 it tells about the, in smaller ring how many atoms are there, in larger ring how many atoms are there excluding the Spiro atom. Okay. Now dec. Dec means it tells about total number of atoms present in this case. Now 7 all. All is nothing but it tells us it is the alcohol. I hope you might be understand this one, how to give the numbering for this. Okay. Then next see, in this case for this we will be give. First what I told, what should we have to be do? Just decide it which is the smaller and which is the larger ring. Okay. Then next what we have to be do for this one? Give the numbering. Okay. From which side you will be give? See, this side also you can give, this side also you can give. Both the sides substituents, this side also 1, this side also 1. Presented first position, because numbering already I told that we have to give the smallest ring only, the first numbering, that also after spiroatom we have to be start. Then see, I will go from this side because for this reason is there. Here bromo, here chloro. Alphabetical order B will come first. Bromo, bro, B. Chloro, C will come next. Then this second, this is third, and this is fourth. Now decide it. You have to go from this side or this side. In this ring also, the substituent have to get the lowest possible number. If I will go from this side, 5, 6, 7, 8, it is going to be get. From this side, 5, 6, 7. See, 8 is the biggest number, 7 is the smallest. I given. Now I am writing. What are the substituents present? 1 bromo. See. The next 3 chloro. Okay. The next, it is the Spiro compound, that's why Spiro. Then square bracket. See, small ring, how many atoms it will be have except this Spiro atom? 1, 2, 3. 3 comma. See this one except this Spiro atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it will be 3 comma 6. Okay. Then total how many atoms are there, including? Now we have to include the Spiro atom. Now we have to include the Spiro atom, means one atom will be the extra. 3 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is also decane. Okay. Then what he given here? Parent hydrocarbon name we have to be write after Spiro. Parent hydrocarbon name is decane. Okay. Now we have to choose the suffix. 7th position, alcohol is there. Okay. All will come. Suffix. Decane, 7, all. I hope you might be understand this one. Okay. Then we are not writing like a cyclohexane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. We are not mentioning that. We are mentioning as the Spiro. Basic moiety is the Spiro, because both the rings connected with the single atom. दो भी ring single atom से connected है, इसलिए Spiro बोल रहे हैं. Then remaining we are giving the normal carbon hydrogen chain name only. Okay. Then suffix, prefix, substituents, all the things remain same according to the IUPAC. These are the Spiro compounds. Okay. Thank you very much. I am uploading even notes also. Okay. Do well and please subscribe and like. Okay. अगर like नहीं करना है मत करो, लेकिन आप अच्छा रहिए. Thank you.